Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your Week 6 Screencast video. So, as we can see, the semester is moving along. I'm hoping that everybody is checking the Grade Center for comment and feedback on the annotated bibliographies. And that hopefully some people might be revising those documents and that assignment as we move forward. That being said, source material can be used for future activities here in the discussion board. So I want to really circle back a bit and touch on discussion board number 8. I feel a few people might have had a bit of a misunderstanding here on this assignment. So as I say, you're working with two of your sources from the annotated bib. Build the double entry journal as described in pages 97-103. Get a sort of a sense of that activity. Several good examples already have been posted out on the discussion board. So I say here, you need a minimum of 3 excerpts. 3 excerpts, not one big summary, not one commentary. I want 3 individual excerpts. I don't care if it's a quote or a paraphrase, or if you chose a large passage in a summary to engage with it and really engage. Add to the left column and the corresponding commentary to the right about each individual. So mathematically, it would be 6 source pieces of information there, 6 separate comments about that. That promotes the writing in the middle that Ballinger describes in chapter 3. If you've looked through the chapter, you get an overall sense of that. So the idea here is to work on those 3 individual sources. So I'm not sure who this is. I opened up the double entry template, but here, for some reason, I've got like one big long summary and one commentary. Obviously, this is not the assignment here. Several students have this particular format and output for the discussion board, so you might want to take a look at your efforts there. That probably would not grade very well, so it's just a bit of a warning. You do have a chance to revise those before I get to grading on the discussion boards. Now, I do want to touch on this week's activity, dialogue with Dave. Let me check sure my link is here. Okay, dialogue with Dave. I've got some template here that you can work with. It's a pretty fluid assignment. What this does is it's designed for you as writers to move away from collecting just information about your sources and moving in toward the commentary. How do you attach this particular topic, I should say your topic, to people? What does it matter to people? I ask questions like, so what? Who cares? And more so than that, why does your topic matter to me? So if you're talking about AI and art, for example, why does it really matter to me? I personally don't care what the capacities of AI and art are because I'm not an artistic person. I'll admit that. But the idea here is that it matters to you, and it's your job then to take this information and make everybody, including myself, understand why it is important. So that is a purpose behind discussion board number 9. Number 10 is the writing multiple leads, and I will cover this at length in this week's lecture video. Post that up about Tuesday or Wednesday morning for you to get a head start on this particular post. It is a lengthy post, but you are working at writing your introduction, your lead into your research essay. So it is writing that will pay off later on in the process as we move away from the annotated bibliography and collecting that information and getting and putting it all together, I should say, into the research essay. So that being said, we have the activities would be 4.1 on Tuesday, 4.3 or discussion board 10 out of the textbook on Friday, responses due on Sunday. And like I mentioned earlier, the lecture video will discuss the exercise 4.3. Let me get to my module. real quick. 4.3, and I'll go over the research essay assignment that we'll be working on next. Okay. So that being said, if you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. As always, good luck.